Last week, Lake Havasu City Council approved a $144 million spending plan for the city. During the discussions, Councilman Don Callahan questioned the funding of the budget, pointing out that the current revenue predictions for the year are only $109 million. City Finance Director Valerie Fensky explained how the shortfall is going to be met. We found the answer confusing, so we asked City Manager Charlie Cassens to explain.
You know, even though we fully intend on meeting all of the city's needs only within the revenues that are projected to come in, when you look at the budget document, it says, well, we have $144 million in projected expenses and only $109 million worth of projected revenues. That doesn't sound like a balanced budget.
And by law, you have to have a balanced budget, correct?
Oh, of course, yes, absolutely. We cannot deficit spend. The difference there is that much of that projected expense has to be there for a number of reasons, and it's reflected as an expense. For example, depreciation is there. That's a non-cash expense. That's an accounting measure that has to be reflected in that way. There's also assumptions in there. The budget has to assume that all of our authorized positions will be filled on July 1 when our fiscal year begins. That's a condition that almost never occurs. The difference between the 109 and the 144 is basically, much of it is just an accounting measure. It's how we have to represent those expenses on the budget. And the budget assumes that every one of those positions will be full on July 1.
Right. Even though they probably won't be.
And if those positions aren't in the budget, we can't fill them. And that same condition is there for projects that may be anticipating grant funds. And if those grant funds don't come through, then that project doesn't get done. But we have to budget the whole project, including the grant funds, or it can't get spent. So if everything that we anticipate is not in the budget, or something that we anticipate is not in the budget, if it's not in the budget, we can't do it, even if the money is available for it.
This interview is part of Getting It Straight, a 30-minute public affairs program that you can view on the Lake Havasu City Channel, TV4, on Suddenlink Cable. Jim Matthews, Havasu Video News.